Hey you guys, it's Star. Thank you so much for tuning into the video. I hope you're having a good day or night whenever you are watching. So yes, y'all, we are reporting live from Walgreens and we have a super bomb, super quick digital deal to get into that anyone can do as long as you have these coupons. So before I get started, two things to go over. First, let me give credit to my boo Lorena for posting this deal on Instagram. I saw her video and I made sure to place my order super quick, but I did my deal a little bit different than hers and it worked out so good, and I am here to pick up that online order. But before we get into the order, I want to make sure that you have these two coupons for this deal because everybody will not have these coupons. And if you're wondering why you may not have these coupons, it's probably because you haven't bought similar products in the past before. On my accounts where I have purchased these Oral-B products before, I do have these coupons. So the first one you want to look at is the $40 coupon for Oral-B IO. See if you have this coupon. The second one you want to look at is the $15 off of one for the Oral-B IO replacement heads. Now, if you have those two coupons, you are set to go, but I want you to check for those before you get started watching the video because I don't want you to watch the whole thing and then find out that you don't have the coupon. So check for those. If you have those and you are ready to rock and roll, let me show you this deal. So the deal we're going to be doing is this spend 50, get back 15 on select Oral-B products. So this includes the Oral-B IO toothbrush that we are going to get. I placed this deal online to secure my pricing. Online, I got the Oral-B IO 3 and it was $49.94. We got that $40 coupon, you guys, makes it just $9.94. But with that $15 coupon, that coupon is attaching to the Precision Clean replacement heads, only the Precision Clean, that are $19.99. So we can also grab some replacement heads. So Precision Clean replacement heads are $19.99. That $15 digital makes them just $4.99. So I'm going to walk over here to the photo counter now and I am going to pick up my online order and I'm going to try to get a receipt so I can show you guys the breakdown of how this worked out, because when I tell you it's good, it is so good. All right, you guys, so I just picked up my order at the photo counter, and I got a paper receipt so I could show you guys how this worked out. So here's a close-up of my receipt. So I picked up the IO3 in this transaction. As you can see, it was $49.94. Then I got the Precision Clean, specifically the Precision Clean. These are $19.99. There's my $15 digital. There's my $40 digital. That brought me down to just $14.93. So $14.93, and you can use Walgreens cash to pay if you want to. And the reason that you can use Walgreens cash to pay if you want to is because that $40 and that $15 manufacturer coupon are $55 in a payment like cash. So it will register and give you full credit and $55 in credit for that spend deal, which should make this still allow you to get your $20 in Walgreens cash back. Now let's talk about why I got back $20 in Walgreens cash. So we went over that these are spend 50, get 15. So that covered $15 in the Walgreens cash that I got back. But then I also had a spend booster for spend 20, get 5 that applied to this deal as well. So as y'all can see, I paid out $14.93 plus tax, and I paid that on my PayPal. So I just rolled in some Ibotta money and paid that, and then I got back $20 in Walgreens cash. All right, y'all, and then here is my digital receipt so that y'all can see I got back the Walgreens cash. So there is the replacement heads, there is the IO Series 3, and then here is my order and everything that we paid out with taxes. My total was $20.52, and I used those digital coupons, and as you can see, I got back $20.69. So even with taxes, I paid out $20.52, taxes included, and got back $20.69. This was free plus a moneymaker. Without the taxes factored in, if you don't have any sales tax, baby, this is a $5 plus moneymaker. So you cannot get any better than that, and this is a beyond excellent holiday gift. Now, I did this deal a little bit differently already at another store. I actually picked up the IO4 because that store did not carry the IO Series 3. So that is the one that Lorena picked up in her deal. So the IO Series 4 is $59.94. So you can buy that alone and go ahead and meet the requirement for the spend 50. But if you buy that one alone, you won't be able to use Walgreens cash because that $40 is not going to cover the spend amount. You can only use Walgreens cash if you buy both of these together. So because that set of toothbrushes is a little bit more expensive, that set of toothbrushes, that IO Series 4 is more expensive. It's $59 instead of $49 like the Oral-B IO3. I had to pay $10 more in that deal. So that one came out to $22 and some change. So $22, and then I got back another $20, making that set only $2. But since we made $5 with the first set, still all 4 items completely free, 99, our favorite price. And also remember, with this deal, you cannot buy the IO Series 3 alone and receive back the $50 because you won't meet the $50 spend amount. That is why I added in the toothbrush heads. Now, if you buy the IO Series 4, that's $59.94, you will meet that spend amount alone. But keep that in mind. I don't want you to just pick up the IO3 by itself. If your store does not have the Precision Clean brush heads, then just go ahead and get the Series 4 by itself. And on the transaction where I picked up the IO Series 4, it rang out a little bit cheaper online because I also used the WAG10 promo code that made it $57 instead of $59. All right, you guys, so I am back in the car. This is all 4 of my items. I am so excited about this deal. If you have not researched or tried the Oral-B IO3 before, you actually need to try it. This toothbrush is so bomb. If you guys only knew, this is such a fantastic deal. So I know this is a great holiday gift item, but definitely get one for yourself. Also, if you can, you will not regret it. So let me know if you have any questions. Please remember to hit that thumbs up button and subscribe if you have not already. Definitely remember to hit that subscribe button so you don't miss any deals like this one. And as always, you guys, I will talk to you soon. Bye.